welcome in to another woolly review. Today we are bringing you a Robin Bonny Babe DK, 100 grams of really nice softness. We're not here to judge colour. Some of you are, but they only have a number, which is 1397 for this one. A very tutti frutti coloured, with the darker pink, almost red, the orangey yellow, and the main colour over the lot is a pale pink. So they are recommending a size 4 hook. Jolly good. Beany's going to help me out. This is 100% acrylic, and there's approximately 300 meters, 328 yards on this. Now this has been won by my Woolly Wednesday winner, so I cannot work up a full swatch, but I will definitely do a half swatch to let you know what it's about. I'm not going to take any off. It's all going to get wound back on so the person gets the full amount, but we need to give it a test run. So Ladybird's at the ready, hook at the ready, I'm ready. So the cheapest place I found this was on Wool Warehouse at £1.49 a ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's so soft, it's like air. Not hair, but air. Very, very nice and soft. Oops. Splitty, splitty. No, no, no. Now I always use the recommended hook size for these reviews. So it's easy for you to say in the comments, oh, I'd use a hook size bigger than that, or I'd have a smaller hook. Well, I'm using the one that is recommended on the label with these reviews, so as I am as true to their recommendation as possible. I mean, let's face it, a DK means double knitting. I'm not doing any knitting, I'm crocheting with it, but you get my gist. Now what I'm going to do is something that I've forgotten, so let me just do this last single crochet in here and just bear with me a momento. Okay, had to go look something up very quickly, which was that this comes in approximately 13 shades, but I think we're probably looking at more like 14, I think. Most of them are solid. They're not this dotty pattern that is going on, but this dotty pattern is going on, and we've split again, is the one that I have right here. So this is the one we're reviewing. So I'm doing half doubles now, and it keeps catching. It's so lovely and soft and airy feeling. It really does good for the baby name, if you know what I mean. If you do, well done you, because I don't. So we're doing the half doubles now. It's so nice and soft. I'm quite surprised with it being just acrylic. Let's go into that end one. Let's not split, thank you. And then we do doubles for the next. And final row. Like I said, I'm only doing a half swatch this time, purely because this is heading probably still in transit to the person who's won it for my Woolly Wednesday. Woolly Wednesday giveaways once a month and is sponsored by the members of this channel. Because without them, I wouldn't be able to do that particular giveaway. Okie dokie. Da 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 da. Thank you, Beany. Okay, so there it is, worked up. Stitch definition isn't brilliant, but it's kind of variegated, so I wouldn't really expect much. Oh, but it's so soft. Look at this winner. I'm spreading my germs all over it for you. I'm so sorry. I've got clean hands, I promise. There is a little bit of stretch. That's good. Now, the frog. We'll do a slow frog for the first half. No problem. And let's do a fast frog. Ta-da! And not all that much kinkage. Bonus. That's a really good sign. Okay, so let's get this wound back up. Very, very, very soft. I mean, the colour isn't for me. Those that are around on my channel frequently know this is not a colour for Lisa. But that's okay, because it's not Lisa's colour. It's the winner's colour. The winner gets it. Tuck all that back in. Be all tidy and lovely again, or at least try to. And let's see what we're giving the Bonny Babe DK. Would I turn my back on it? No, 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 no. Would I be annoyed that that was the only thing in the shop for baby wool and I had no choice but had to get it? No, no, no. Would it be in my top? Not top. Would it be? Oh, well, you know what? I like that. Yeah, we'll go with it. It's in the top 10. No. Would I go with, hey, that's in my top 3. Oh, yeah. Okay, if you don't have the rest, that's fine. I'll grab a couple of those. No. Yep, I know. Another one. 5 ladybirds out of 5 ladybirds. I think for £1.50 for 300 meters, and it is so soft. Plenty of colours in it, solid shades especially, which is what I'd go for rather than this personally. I think that I think it's pretty good. I think there's a really nice value to that without feeling cheap. It feels nice on the skin. It really does justice for the baby branding, as it were. So for me, I am doing a 5 ladybirds out of 5. Ta-da! How many ladybirds will be next week? I don't know. We'll find out next week. And maybe you'll find out too if you hit the subscribe button, which is just down there, along with details on my stitch markers, which are all on Etsy. Hopefully, I will see you around soon. Take care. Bye-bye.